Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add a glitch overlay as a transition to your video edits on CapCut. So just add the main clip that you want to edit, and then just start by clicking on the overlay and then add the glitch overlay that you want. So in here, I got this glitch overlay from TikTok. Click on add. Now you can just adjust it to your liking or trim it. I'm going to just use 1 second of the video and then place it in between the clip. Fit the size like this, and I'll go to blend and choose lighten. Click on the check icon. And here is the final result. So that's all from me guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.